Alright guys, this is part 2 of my Goodwill box finds, and I'm just gonna keep going where we left off. There's a Hot Wheels like racing car. I don't know what that one's called. There's a 57 Chevy. That's neat. Hot Wheels. There's a Road Champs Fiero. Door opens. It's a nice Hot Wheels Corvette here. Still in pretty good shape. Here's a junky car, but it's a Ferrari. There's a Hot Wheels hauler. It says trucking on the front door. It's kind of neat. Don't roll. Some more junk. Ooh, a Minnie Mouse car. This Hot Wheels Mustang is pretty cool. Turbo Mustang. I don't have this one. Interesting tampons on it. Looks like a rocket shooting off or something, blasting. I like that. Alright, this is nice. Hot Wheels bulldozer here. I think it's gonna play with it and ain't really rolling, but we can get it rolling. It's a Majorette Pompier truck. I guess that stands for pumper, I would assume. Atomica truck. It's kind of cool. It's a Toyota. Kind of looks like a safari truck or something. There's a good one. This is a 18 Baja Breaker. Not too bad shape. This needs to be wiped off a little bit. Rolls. That's a good find. Found another red line. We got a Hot Wheels Jet Threat. Never seen that one before. It's kind of neat and different. Those have somebody's initials on there. I'll probably get that off maybe. Tires are in good shape. 3 red lines. Nothing spectacular, but hey, I like it. Don't have a whole lot of red lines, so anything helps. That was a handful of junk. Next. This one's a junky car, Trans Am. Kind of cool, I guess. There's a lot of Fieros in here. Here's another one. Matchbox Racer Protect. There's a Matchbox Ford Escort convertible. That's odd. Got another red line here. It's like a Hot Wheels Jeep. Don't have a windshield, so that kind of stinks. But it's the 4th red line in here. That's cool. Getting a little lower on cars. We'll see what we come up with though. There's a Matchbox Blackwall police car. Don't have that one. I like that. old car. Not that exciting. Here's a Hot Wheels Flame Runner. It's kind of neat. There's another Matchbox Peterbilt. Doesn't have, might have had a cement mixture on the back, but it's not on there. This is a weird one. This is made by Hot Wheels. I've never seen something like this. I don't know what it's supposed to do. It's got a switch down there. I don't really see it doing much. You guys know what this is? Anybody? It's don't even say what the car is called or anything. I can see a Hot Wheels logo in there. Anybody can tell me what that is, I'd appreciate it. This is a majorette, but I like it. Bright orange pickup tow truck. Here's another Transformers thing. It's like a tank. Opens up. Found a few Transformer stuff in there. It's kind of neat. It's a Hot Wheels show, like Formula 1 car. That's cool. Hot Wheels quad. That's neat. We're still digging. Do we got some gold in here? I don't know. There's a Matchbox 57 Chevy. Don't have the hood. Still digging. And we got some junkers. Big handful of junkers. Whoa. And what I mean by junkers is these really cheap plastic cars. Since showing them. There's this drag racing car. I think I got some of them. There's a Matchbox Jeep Cherokee. That's kind of cool. I own a Jeep Cherokee 97. That's cool. Them stompers. These are neat. I got a bunch of them. There's a Hot Wheels Murata Stalker. It's kind of neat. So you guys are seeing this stuff same time I'm seeing it because I haven't peeked in the box. I just keep reaching in. Some more junkers. Got a good stack of junkers going on here. There's a Matchbox Renault. Kind of cool. More junkers. Couple more junkers. And there's a bunch of junker Corvettes. They got opening doors and stuff, so they're okay. There's a majorette police car Impala. Getting low here, we're getting low. There's an old 57 T-Bird. I collect these. I don't have this one, but it's kind of in rough shape. There's an old Tomico Maserati. There's another Hot Wheels. I think it's one of them fire chief cars. Blackwall. Hot Wheels. I think it's a 3-window car, maybe. I'm not sure. There's another Fiero. I think this guy liked Fiero. These all came from the same person. He had a lot of them. Camaro. There's another old Matchbox Mini. It's kind of neat looking. There's a Hot Wheels front running stock car. It's kind of cool. Oh, that out now. So, Hot Wheels hauler. Well, guys, I don't know if you have anything else good. I don't think so. And there's an empty box with a couple of junkers in it. So, guess I'm pretty happy now. I got some cool cars I didn't have. I'll recap some of my favorites. 57 Chevy. Really like that. Fire Eater's cool. That one's cool. The Baja Breaker is good. Favorite one is the mail truck. Got the 4 red lines. Truck with the plow. Now, I think I did pretty good. I got a big stack of junker cars, you know. That's alright. I wish this highway bar would have been a mess. That's a neat one. Well, guys, I know it was 2 long videos. I guess about 33 minutes together. If you stayed with me the whole time, I appreciate it. And hope you guys enjoyed. You know, this first-hand look for me, too. It's the first time seeing any of this stuff, so let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Later.